All my niggas trying to get it, you with it, I'm with it.
What's up, guys? As you can see, I just ordered coilovers, and with the power of editing, now they're here. I've actually had them for a couple days. I've unboxed them and fooled around a little bit. I had to make another video earlier this week for a friend of mine with a G35. Couldn't put it on YouTube though because of the music that he wanted. I would have got copyright, so sorry for your lack of vlogs this week, but coilovers are here, and I'm fucking excited. I'm gonna pull these out. We're going to adjust the preload on both of the fronts, and my DCC deletes will be here tomorrow. Shout out to Hunter, thank you. Got some iSweep deletes for 300 U's shipped. Not too bad, brand new, they're like 400, so. Which means the only thing left is for me to cut my strut towers. I've been doing hella research, seeing how people did it, and yada yada yada. I think I'm gonna take my cutting wheel and my Dremel and just do it myself tomorrow. And if I don't cut it very straight, which I don't imagine I will, I don't have much experience with power tools and tight spaces on cars. So we'll see how it goes. I've seen some people wrap the edges with like door seal stuff and like kind of just pushes right on top, makes it look real nice. Then I'll find like a little cap to put on and keep the weather out of there or something, maybe, I don't know. But we're gonna go ham on that. But I need to get these preloaded. I need to get the DCC deletes in tomorrow, and then I'll probably cut them tomorrow, and then maybe install Sunday or next week. It depends with all the shopping I gotta do. I got a Christmas party this Saturday at noon for the contractor side of my job, and then next week is the actual Air Force Squadron Christmas party, both on Saturdays. So they're both very drunken days, which means Sundays won't be good for working on the car because I'll probably just sleep all day. But I will figure it out, and they will be on soon. And we got a trip to Denver coming up for New Year's. We're going up there Saturday, Sunday, Monday, leave Tuesday. I want to get the Haldex tune, and the tuner that or the shop that I go to is in Denver, so it makes sense, but they're not open on the weekend. So depending on how money looks like after shopping and shit this week, I might go up to Denver a day early before everybody, because it's like a whole crew, there's like 8 of us going to Denver. I might go up a day early and get the tune. We'll see. That way I wouldn't have to make another trip up there just to get the tune. It's like an 8-hour drive. So that would save me time and money. It's not like I don't mind going to Denver, but when I want to go, but I don't have time to go, that's the biggest part. And I really want this Haldex tune and these coils in before the next race season starts. Contemplating selling my interior to some dude in New York, front seats, back seats, door cards, armrest. I could probably sell them for like $1,500, and I found the seats that I want, the Corbyus, however you say it, set of wingback looking seats for less than $1,000. I don't know what the shipping would be or how much the rails would be, but we'll see. Anyway, let's get to these coilovers.
The pupper, sit. He's a good boy. Shake. Yeah, that's my boy. Good boy. Good boy.
This is what we're looking at here. We got upgraded Swift springs. Nice BC Racing coil over here. Sexy as fuck. So what we're gonna do basically is loosen up these two, loosen it until the spring isn't loose anymore. Bring this up close. Do it about 4 millimeters. 4 millimeters is the thickness of this, so we know how thick to move it, and the preload will be set. This is cool. These little things, I'm surprised they're not actually like permanently attached, but they go in here. That's how you adjust your dampening. And then on the bottom ones, see, this is softer or harder, and it's in there. So little clicks. Really, really nice. There's plenty of room for adjustment here. This thing's huge. Hardware's real nice. Everything feels and looks great. This is a rear spring. Just sexy. Straight up sexy stuff. I haven't been this excited for parts in a long time. Here you got warranty work, some instructions / tips. You got some stickers and a little book and whatnot. But we're gonna loosen this baby up, take a look, make sure it's preloaded and set properly, and we'll go from there. So I went ahead, adjusted the preload on the other one. I don't think it was off at all, but for a peace of mind, obviously I'm gonna do them. So I'm gonna walk you guys through this one. It's super simple. Loosen it up, you hand tighten the top collar until the spring stops moving. Basically I go until I can't tighten anymore with my hand, then you bring the other one up to it, then you tighten the top one with the tool until there's 4 millimeters of gap between the two, meaning you put 4 millimeters worth of pressure onto the spring. 4 millimeters is exactly the thickness of the tool, and then you just tighten down and the preload's set. You're good to go. Hopefully this works out. Maybe some of you guys with coilovers on the Mark 7 platform can tell me. Since I already have springs on the car and now I'm putting these coilovers in, will I need to pull, like go through the whole process? You know, it's like a long ass process to do the front struts back in. I'm thinking I won't even have to do half the crazy shit. I should just be able to lower it down, you know, undo that shit on the back that has a clamping force on it, and then be able to just pull it out without using the 2x4 method or pulling the axles or any of that shit. I'm hoping it's just that simple. I'll be able to just unscrew the top bolts, do the shit at the bottom, and fucking pull that baby out and then slip this one in. If you have coilovers on the Mark 7 and you had springs before, let me know. We need to talk. I need some information. It'll save me a lot of time this weekend. But I'm gonna set the camera up, show you guys this real quick, and then I got places to be. First up, we're gonna loosen these. Big one, small one. Would help to have a friend. Okay, so we're gonna spin this down a whole bunch, and we're gonna loosen this up, which I can do with my hand. So it probably wasn't set, but we'll see. Loosen it up. There's play. This moves. All right, so we're gonna go ahead. Don't worry about the bottom. We're gonna tighten the top one until I can't no more. Okay, no more. So now you're gonna bring this up, nice and flush. Maybe a little less than flush, okay? Now, you gotta tighten this one 4 millimeters. So you just keep tightening the top one until this fits between the two, and then tighten them together, you're good to go. Okay, you guys see that gap in there now? This fits right in there. Now we'll take the bottom one, bring it to the top, and we'll tighten them together. All right, and that's pretty much it. That is setting preload. It's pretty simple stuff. I'm actually gonna grab an Allen key and set the camber on both to 2 degrees. It's a very nice little setup here. I'm very excited to finally fucking have camber. You guys are wondering about what I have to cut. It's this. See, the coilover will sit in there, but I won't be able to adjust the camber or anything with that there. This little cap does come off. The cap comes off and this is all you get. So I'm gonna pretty much cut this down to it's almost level. It really shouldn't be too bad. I mean, I don't have much room. You got the hood here. Obviously I'm holding my phone up. I got this tray over top of it. So I probably have to take all this off. That way I have proper room. But that is this weekend's plan. You got Boo here with all his little toys, yeah? What's up? And say hi to the people? What are you looking at? You got something in your eye. I'm a good boy. Yeah. Can I have a shake? Yeah? Have a 5?
Give me 5. Alright, I'll take 10. What a good boy. What a good looking boy.
I'm just hoping this isn't too much of a battle to get the ride height down. Adjusting the ride height while these are in the car, it won't be bad, especially the rears. I mean, between this and this, it should be pretty cake. I'm just excited. Like, we don't have autocross this month. We didn't have enough time this month to get an event in. So I think they stated the next event will be the 13th of January. So I have until then to get these, you know, kind of used to them and really stay dialed in. I can't really dial them in until I get track time. So yeah. Like I said, right after ordering these, I'm ordering some maintenance stuff and brake lines and brake fluid. And then from there, probably cross brace in the back. And then hopefully I can sell this interior. Hopefully I can get a fuel kit before the autocross season really starts. But we'll see. I hope you guys are excited as I am. You're probably nowhere near excited, but I'm excited to show you guys this shit. And the next video, I should be cutting up my car. So really stay tuned for that. You guys just sit back and make fun of me doing some retard shit that I've never done before. But yeah, just want to give you guys an update. I'm super fucking excited. These babies are gonna do me so well this season. And on that note, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the flip flop.